हरे कृष्ण ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। श्रीमद् भागवतम in story form, chapter 162, the glories of Srimad Bhagavatam, canto 12. Suta Goswami said, unto that personality who all of the demigods headed by Brahma praise, who the perfected yogis see within their minds after fixing themselves in trance, unto that supreme personality of Godhead I offer my humble obeisances. When Lord Kurma's back was being scratched by the sharp stones of Mount Mandara, which was whirling about, it made him sleepy. Winds were then created by the Lord's breathing. In this sleepy condition, and ever since that time, the ocean has imitated his inhalation and exhalation by coming in and going out as tides. The number of verses of each of the 18 Mahapuranas is herein listed. Srila Jiva Goswami quotes from the Matsya Purana that Srila Vyasadeva compiled these Puranas first and then later Mahabharata later Mahabharata, which contains the essence of the Puranas. Srimad Bhagavatam was first imparted by the Supreme Lord to Brahma when he was bewildered while seated upon the lotus flower that had grown from the navel of Garbhodakshay Vishnu. From this, we should understand that Srimad Bhagavatam is eternal and non-different from the absolute truth. If on the full moon day of the month of Bhadra, one places Srimad Bhagavatam on a golden throne and gives it as a gift, he will attain the supreme transcendental destination. All other scriptures shine forth in the assembly of saintly devotees only so long as that great ocean of nectar, Srimad Bhagavatam, is not heard. Srimad Bhagavatam is the essence of all Vedanta philosophy. One who has felt satisfaction from its nectarian mellow will never be attracted to any other literature. निम्नगानां यथा गंगा देवानाम् अच्युतो यथा वैष्णवानां यथा शंभु पुराणानाम् idam तथा. Just as the Ganga is the greatest of all rivers, Lord Achyuta, the supreme among all deities, and Lord Shiva, the greatest of Vaishnavas, so Srimad Bhagavatam is the greatest of all Puranas. Srimad Bhagavatam Puranam Amalam Yat Vaishnavanam Priyam. Srimad Bhagavatam is the spotless Purana and it is most dear to the Vaishnavas. Anyone who seriously tries to understand Srimad Bhagavatam, who properly hears and chants it with devotion, becomes completely liberated. Just as Arjuna was put into confusion so that Bhagavad Gita might be spoken, Maharaja Parikshit was cursed to die so that Sukadeva Goswami could speak Srimad Bhagavatam. The final verse of Srimad Bhagavatam, Nama Sankirtanam Yashya Sarva Papa Pranashanam Pranamo Dukkha Samanas Tam Namami Harim Param. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the Supreme Lord Hari, the congregational chanting of whose holy names destroys all sinful reactions, and the offering of obeisances unto whom relieves all material suffering. Hari Hari Bol. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the Supreme Lord Hari, the congregational chanting of whose holy names destroys all sinful reactions, and the offering of obeisances unto whom relieves all material suffering. Jai Grantaraj Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Here ends the English version of Srimad Bhagavatam Katharup, the Srimad Bhagavatam in story form. Hare Krishna.